Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Stremio, a fantastic platform that brings all your favorite streaming content together in one place. If you've ever wondered how to save videos on Stremio, you're in the right spot. Let's explore this feature and make your streaming experience even better. Stremio is designed to simplify your viewing habits, allowing you to access movies, series, and live TV effortlessly. One of the standout features is the ability to save videos for offline viewing, which is perfect for those moments when you might not have a reliable internet connection. So, how do you do it? First, ensure you have the latest version of Stremio installed on your device. Keeping your app updated guarantees you have access to the newest features and improvements. Once you're all set, open Stremio and navigate to the content you want to save. When you find a video you'd like to download, simply click on it to open the details page. Look for the download option, which is usually represented by a downward arrow icon. Click on that, and the video will begin downloading to your device. It's that simple. Remember, downloaded videos can take up space, so make sure you have enough storage available. Also, keep in mind that not all content may be available for download due to licensing restrictions, but there's still plenty to choose from. Once your video is saved, you can enjoy it anytime, anywhere, without worrying about buffering or connectivity issues. Stremio truly enhances your viewing experience by giving you the freedom to watch on your terms. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Happy streaming!